Best Demolition comparison. Demolition hammers are indispensable tools for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners tackling heavy-duty tasks such as breaking concrete, trenching, and chipping. Choosing the right demolition hammer can make a significant difference in efficiency. List number: Extreme Power US 2200 Watt Demolition Electric. The Extreme Power US 2200 Watt Demolition Electric Jackhammer is a mid-range option designed for both home and commercial use. With a 2200 watt motor delivering 1800 BPM, it's suitable for tasks such as breaking concrete slabs, trenching, and housing foundation removal. The adjustable 360-degree foregrip enhances control and comfort, while the included accessories such as chisels, gloves, and goggles add value to the package. During testing, the Extreme Power US hammer demonstrated solid performance on medium-density concrete and brick. Its 41.2-pound weight provides stability but may require effort for prolonged use. The lack of advanced vibration control is noticeable, making it less ideal for extended sessions. However, its heavy-duty construction and reliable power output make it a strong contender for occasional or moderate use. List number: The Vivore Max 2200 Demolition Jackhammer is a versatile and durable tool that boasts a powerful 2200W motor with 1350 BPM. It comes with 4 chisels to tackle a variety of demolition tasks, including trenching, chipping, and breaking concrete. The 360-degree rotary handle and vibration-proof design enhance user comfort, while the heavy-duty metal construction ensure long-term durability. This model excelled in heavy-duty applications, such as breaking thick concrete slabs and removing housing foundations. The ergonomic D-shaped handle absorbs vibrations effectively, reducing muscle fatigue during prolonged use. However, its 50-pound weight can be cumbersome for smaller operators. The included accessories and cooling system add value, making it a reliable choice for demanding projects. List number: The Vivore Max 1400W Demolition Jackhammer is the budget option in this lineup, priced at just $62.99. Despite its affordability, it features a 1400W motor delivering 2900 BPM and 19J impact energy, making it suitable for light to medium-duty tasks. The shock-absorbing handle and efficient cooling system enhance comfort and reliability during use. This hammer performed well in smaller-scale tasks, such as breaking tiles and chipping away at thin concrete layers. Its lightweight design, 16.9 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver, though it lacks the power needed for heavy-duty demolition. The included chisels and carrying case are convenient, but the lower build quality may limit its lifespan for frequent use. List number: Bosch 111316 EVS 14-amp SDS Max. The Bosch 111316 EVS is a premium-grade demolition hammer designed for professionals. Featuring a 14-amp motor with variable speed and 12.4 feet-pounds of impact energy, this tool excels in controlled chipping and heavy-duty demolition. Its SDS Max bit system allows for tool-free bit changes, while the Vario-lock positioning provides optimal hammering angles. During testing, the Bosch hammer delivered exceptional performance on thick concrete and dense materials. The variable speed dial ensures precision, making it ideal for delicate applications like tile removal. At 23 pounds, it's lightweight for its class, and the padded rear handle minimizes fatigue. The service minder light adds convenience by signaling maintenance needs, though its high price may deter casual users. List number 5. The Berserker 1700W Demolition Jackhammer is a heavy-duty tool designed for demanding applications. With a 1700W motor delivering 1900 BPM and 55 joules of impact energy, it handles tasks like trenching, chipping, and breaking concrete with ease. The ergonomic design includes a 360-degree adjustable handle and anti-vibration technology for comfort during extended use. This model impressed during high-impact demolition tests, efficiently breaking through thick concrete slabs. The lock-on button adds convenience for long-term projects, and the included chisels and carrying case enhance usability. However, its 30-pound weight may be tiring for smaller operators, and the higher noise level could be a concern in residential areas.